Hey, how's it? Today we'll be breaking 2014 Bowman Chrome. Try to get that Jimmy J rookie. If can auto, right here. Let's rip it. So I got this from my local LCS, and they were selling this for $75. I think they jack up the prices in Hawaii. It's just crazy. But yeah, hopefully we can get that Jimmy J, which is going for pretty good price. By the way, my other video of the select, that one too was from my LCS, my local sports car shop, and yeah, it's pretty expensive. But anyway, let's go pack one. Jaden Sanders, Dry Archer, Marco Murray, Vernon Davis, Austin Jenkins, tie-dye of Brandon Cooks, rookie, Ryan Matthews, T.Y. Hilton. Come on, Jimmy J. John Neal, Darquise Dennard, Andre Ellington, and a blue Earl Thomas, number 299. James White, rookie. Sammy Watkins, rookie. Alfred Morris, and DeMarcus Ware. Coney Ely, Latavius Bryant, rookie. Des Bryant, and Haha Clinton, rookie. Is that rookie? Yeah, rookie. Gray Robinson, Kevin Norwood, rookie. Jordan Cameron, and Clay Matthews. Jeff Janis. Man, I've been getting Brandon Cooks a lot. Brandon Cooks. Okay. Larry Fitzgerald and Torrey Smith. Another Haha. Derek Carr. I don't want to butcher his name. And this is a blue Jarek McKinnon, number 299, rookie. Teddy Bridgewater, rookie. Stephen Morris, rookie. Cam Newton, and Richard Sherman. Devin Street. Oh, autograph. Damian Williams, rookie. Sticker auto. Oh well. DeAndre Hopkins. Deshaun Jackson. Richard Rodgers. Derek Carr. Rookie. Not numbered. Deion Jordan. And Matt Forte. Aaron Colvin. Jarvis Landry. Phillip Rivers. Tamba Hali. Okay. Timmy Jernigan, rookie. Cyrus Cronogio, rookie. CJ Spiller. And Stephen Ridley. Some Disco Tech, number 271. Got Allen Robinson, rookie. Silas Red, rookie. Le'Veon Bell and Zach Stacy. Jeremy Hill, rookie. This is like the third Brandon Cooks. Rookie. Eric Decker and Keenan Allen. I got last three. Connor Shaw, rookie. Kyle Van Noy, rookie. Mike Wallace and Andre Johnson. Last two. Anthony Barr, rookie. Bradley Roby, rookie. EJ Manuel and Derek Carr. A lot of cars and a lot of cooks. Come on, last pack. Let's go. Cody Hoffman. There it is. There it is. Die cut Jimmy J. Nice. Nice. Wish I had an ink. Not numbered, but I'll take it. Nice. Yeah, that's a mini too. That's a small ass card. I'm finishing it up with Geno Atkins and Terrell Suggs. Alright. Oh, I wouldn't mind opening this again. Yeah, that just, I hope that card just covered up my box. So we'll see you again. I'm gonna maybe buy another one. Catch you guys later. Aloha.